Welcome to the Iron Tech, and in this video, there are a lot of people who needs Filmora 13 Pro for the lifetime. So, very important video. Uh, you can select the categories, and when you will come to the Filmora 13 Pro, or AI tool is also there. So that's very interesting, and price is just $10.5. Uh, you can see 13 Pro with AI tools, all premium features. Place your WhatsApp or email in the link. Our members will contact you and will send you the setup and tutorial video. You can also get help via any desk from our team member to the install delivery time within 12 to 24 hours. So very good software for video editing and AI tools, premium feature. This is also highly recommended for those people who want to edit with premium features. Come on this website and give the order. See you next time with another video. Take care. Goodbye.